Good morning, students. You are welcome in YouTube channels of Mount Brescia. Last day we have completed 6.2 up to question number 11. Now today we'll start question number 12. Important question and little lengthy. A shopkeeper sold two electronic gadgets for rupees 44,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 12% on one and profit of 10% on the other. Find his overall gain or loss. A shopkeeper sold two electronic gadgets 44,000 each, and first gadget he has made a loss of 12% and second gadget profit of 10%. Then in the both the case, first you find the CP of the first electronic gadget and then CP of the second electronic gadget. Then total both the CP you add. On the other hand, SP is given 44,000 each. So both SP also will add. Then you compare SP and CP and finally you find out the profit or loss. Then let us see how we'll solve question number 12. Let the CP of one gadget be X. Loss is equal to how much? Loss is equal to 12%. Then calculate 12% means 100 into CP. Cancel by 4, 325. Then 3x by 25 is the loss. SP you find out. SP is equal to CP minus loss. Then how much? CP is x and loss is 3x minus 25. LCM you take 25. Now 25 into x. 25x. 25 divided 25, 1 into 3x. 3x. Then it will be 22x by 25. According to question, it is given that SP is equal to 44,000. So 44000. Cross multiply. 22x is equal to 25 into 4400 or x is equal to 25 into 44000 divided by 22. Cancel. 21 22 2000. Now 25 into 2000 is equal to 50,000. Therefore CP is equal to rupees 50,000. What for first gadget? Now let the CP of other gadget be Y. Already have suppose first X, so second digit will suppose Y. Now second what? Gain. How much? 10%. Calculate 10 by 100 into Y is equal to Y by 10. Then SP you find out. SP is equal to CP plus gain is equal to Y plus Y by 10. LCM you take 10. So 10Y plus Y is equal to 11Y by 10. According to question, this 11y by 10, that means SP is equal to 44,000. Cross multiply. 11y is equal to 10 into 44,000 or y is equal to 10 into 44,000 divided by 11. 11 4 ja 44, 4000. 4000 into 10 is equal to 40,000. Therefore, CP is equal to rupees 40,000. Now total CP how much? Total CP is equal to rupees first gadget sold by 50,000 and second gadget by 40,000. So total it will be rupees 90,000. Now total SP, each SP is same, that is rupees 44,000. First one also 44,000 and second one also 44,000. If we will add total, then it will be 88,000. Then CP is greater than SP. Then what happened? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Then CP is 90,000 and SP is 88,000. Then loss is equal to rupees 2,000. Today your homework is exercise 6.2, question number 12, 13 and 14. Thank you.